right, Bubba.
Let's see what he is. Yeah.
You need a net?
I don't know. He seems like he might be a good boy. Let's see. Oh, he's a nice
Whoa, that's, yeah, need a net on that sucker. Huh? That is a good fish. That's a good one. That's to start the day off with. I mean, that's a photo op time right there. That might be 13 inches.
I believe you might be right. That's a nice fish.
All right, hold him up there. Good one. There he is.
Yeah, that's a nice one. That might be a net or two.
Yes, sir, it's a good one.
Netter also.
I got him. Thank you. Not as good as that one you got.
No, but he's a good one.
I'm glad to see him hit that jig. That is a nice one now. I'm glad to see these fish in here too. That's a nice fish, Bubba. That's a good one. That's a 11, 12 inch. Look at him. I think a ride. I think you're right. We got a double shot here. Hold on a second. Let me get a shot here. Let's hold him up there. Got another one? Maybe I should go to the minnow.
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
You want the net? That is a nice one. I am going to go to the minnow. Alright, I got one. Feels like a good one.
He's coming in.
Feels like a good one.
Tell me if you need a net.
Yes. Let me see.
He's not 13 inches, but he's good as well. Nice fish.
That is a nice fish. Buck, got him?
Little bitty fella.
Huh?
He must be playing possum because he's mighty small feeling. No, he's a nice one.
I got one too. Got another double here. Very nice.
Thought he was playing possum with you. Oh yeah, you.
Woo!
That's a big boy there. Net's right
Let's see. Yes, Bubba.
Huh?
I'm telling you, I'm glad we came down here. Here's another 12 incher.
That's a good one right there.
That is a good fish right there.
Good fish right there. What's going on here? Get it?
I got him that time if he stays on. Taking the drag out. Little spotted bag. He's awful little though. Oh, that's no crappie right there. Let's see what we got. It is a crappie. Golly.
It's right there next to you.
Oh, he was taking out drag. That was 13 inches. I guarantee you that was a 13 incher. It might be bigger than 13 inches. We'll have to.
That's a nice.
Let's see what this one will go.
Big boy, right?
That's a 14-inch. I want you to take a picture of me with this sucker.
Let's see. Take it twice. That's a nice crappie right there.
Yes, sir. Let's see if one will get hungry, huh? Got him.
Darn, you walk right in there and catch him right there. Double one.
You got one as well?
1, 2.
Both good un.
I finally got one that's pulling a little line. Oh, that's a nice one. I got a nice one. Oh, nice. Get him in the boat, folks. Man, that's a big one right there.
Ooh, that is a good
I
one.
wish you'd have caught one that big.
I would need to get a double shot here. Hold on.
Get it.
All right.
Grab my yours. There you go. Let me catch one. Come on. Whoa, now. Come on.
Need a net on him.
Look at him. He's running like a... Yeah.
Golly, that's a huge one. Nice fish.
I don't ever get one unless they swallow
Yeah.
it. You got it.
All right.
He's not as big as Red, but he's a good keeper.
He's a rider.
He'll burn green.
He's a ride. He'll ride. Yes, sir.
There you go. See, he's stressing out. Yeah. Oh, he's feisty little devil.
Whoa, he didn't like that.
Nice little fish.
Good one.
Everyone
Another
got
good
him.
one.
Oh, dude.
Whoops.
That run like a body back.
Ooh, another nice one.
Like that, dude.
Very nice. We're getting some nice fish now, I'm telling you. These are the nicest fish I've caught this year.
That's a nice fish right there.
It is a nice one.
I wish
That's
you-
a 13-incher.
I believe that might be 13 inch. I'm so proud that you got to see me catch a fish. I was getting worried. Yes, sir. I got that little fella.
All right.
I don't believe he'll even grease a pot. He still's mighty small. But
That
he
looks
fights
like a
little
keeper.
bit.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Yeah, that's a keeper there.
Oh, I got a good fish on here, Bubba. I mean, ooh,
He
that
hit it
sucker's
hard.
trying to take drag out.
You might have a good one there. What you get? Nice crappie. Yeah, he's nice. They're not as big as those we had over there.
But they're nice ones, though.
Got him?
I got it. Well, he will. He will. I'm right in there amongst them. You move to see yours. I got a good fish on.
Got a good one?
It ain't bad.
He ain't big as you wanted, but I'm enjoying it. You got one.
Yes, sir.
Come on out of there.
Yeah, rider.
But he's too
I'm
tired.
eating peaches, huh?
I think them peaches work on him a little bit. You got him?
I got him.
Come on with it. Make me proud. That's the littlest one of the day.
But I think he'll make the ride.
He'll make the ride, but he is the smallest one we've caught.
Yep.
There he goes.
Feels like a little one.
He's coming up, though. I see him coming up there. He is a throwback. I hate we catch him now. A little bit.
Fish on. Here's a net. Ooh, that's a good fish, Bubba. That's the best fish we've caught here. And I got a good one on hand. Let me get a picture of this double here.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. It's big as a... That's a
Good.
nice fish, that boy.
It is.